number 2 of Cohen's videos. Alright, he's going to be jumping from the other end. Last video you saw him clear almost to the pathway, which is 5 meters. See if he can beat that record. About 2 meters. Here, I'm going to line you up. Stay right there. Okay, just stick the antenna near the ground. Okay, here it goes.
Okay.
Got it!
Are you ready?
Comment on as well. Comment and subscribe.
Okay. Are you ready?
Hold on a minute.
3, 2, 1.
This is icy. Wow, it died.
No.
You have to kind of stick your hand near it. Don't. Back it up. Oh! Shit, again.
What?
Again it did that. Here, come on, you hold it. I'll go to the other end. Like, other end over there. Or no, stay here. No, just videotape there. I'm gonna go.
Stay here?
I'm gonna come back.
Okay. Three, 2, 1. Oh, Jet, that failed, man. Dude, you landed. You. Ow! You landed. You landed right here where my shoe is.
Okay, did you videotape like that, or did you videotape over there?
No, I videotaped the whole thing.
Alright, that was part 2. That's his truck. Oh, that's stuck on my foot. That didn't work. Ow.
That is my truck. The Jet is braking, folks.
That was the truck that Cohen's breaking. He's already drove into a telephone pole.
So is Jet, just so you know.
I've drove into a tree, but I didn't break the whole front end. Alright. Peace. Peace out.